way bigger. Our hallways, they're amazing, and our teachers are amazing too. And I want to thank all of you, donors and stuff like that, for helping us get what we deserved for all our work. Foundation has turned me into a great student, a great leader, and also a great person, and a great person in life. And all of the social skills and emotional skills and academic skills that they have taught me, I will use throughout my entire life. And I want to appreciate each and every one of you, each and every one of my teachers, and each and every one of my supporters for getting me here today. Thank you.
The high expectations that they have always held me to has allowed me to be the best version of myself and always strive to do more. Through my experience here, I hope to pass on the lessons that I've learned and for future up-and-coming students. Amen.
I just want to start off by saying I used to hate school, and it wasn't until I'd say like summer of junior year that I really developed this love for mathematics and calculus, and just having an equation, being able to solve it, and just having an objective answer at the end of it, it was so satisfying for me. And it was one of the reasons that I fell in love with the STEM field. And as I reach my third grade now, I've truly fallen in love with computer science, and I just know that that's what I want to do. And I think in Trenton, it's really difficult for students to see the opportunities that the STEM field has to offer because there aren't many resources for that kind of learning. And I think that once I go to college and I major in computer science and I really just truly understand what I'm getting myself into, I want to come back to a learning community and further develop that STEM field, because I just want to prove to everyone that STEM, that foundation still makes. Thank you.
Yes.
So we would go in the hallway and do that, but we made it work. But this is much better. The kids are more comfortable.
Favorite room of the new edition, so I'm happy you got it.
We'll just, as you can tell, I'm big into decoration, so
I know.
absolutely any stuff.